till now. So basically, I didn't knew many things at start when I joined Guru Computers. I knew only basic things about computer. Slowly through practical learning, sir taught me. I knew many more about computers, and today I'm confident and skilled. So I thank sir for that all things. I will start with keyboard. Keyboard is not just a set of keys, it is a tool that gives words to our thoughts. It can be wireless or with wire. Through practicals, I learned Marathi typing, English typing, Hindi typing, MS-CIT course includes all this, greeting card making, passport size photo making, and many more to come. Secondly, mouse. Mouse can be wireless or with wire. Mouse is a small device, but it is very powerful. We can control the screen with it. At first, controlling mouse was not easy for me, but slowly through practicals, I gained control over the screen. This is a web camera. We use it for video calls, meetings, and it is very important because computers generally don't have cameras, unlike laptops. So web camera is very important. So I believe in success is not magic. Success is practice. So we should practice every day, every time, every moment. So I think skills are very important for us. Skills, without skills we are nothing. So at the end I would like to say that your life is not decided by your luck, it's decided by your skills. म्हणजेच तुमचं नशीब तुमचं लाईफ तुमच्या नशिबावर नाही तर तुमच्या कौशल्यावर ठरतं. थँक्यू सो मच.